And you told me you hear voices at night.
Yes.
Yeah. I need a stick to protect me from the dogs. Can you imagine a place, a city, which is really dead? It's really a dead place. I'm here at the Chinese Cemetery in Manila. And all what you see here is dead. Storage houses for the bodies. And some of them are decades old. At first glance, this place doesn't like a cemetery. It looks like an old neighborhood. There are streets, intersections, street signs, gates, front doors, balconies, and even houses. Except they're not houses. Every building here is a family mausoleum. Some families have been buried here for more than a century. And today I'm going to explore this city of the dead. And you're a guide here?
Yeah, I'm a tour guide here.
Okay.
Tour guide, caretaker, contractor.
So, what makes this place so interesting?
Many. I told you many. If you want to see the interesting place, it's up to you.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
I'll explain you about the Chinese culture here.
Yeah.
Or it's a mausoleum. We can explain you
Yeah.
the culture here.
So you live here, or
Yep.
you?
No, not here.
Oh, okay.
There, that's my house.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You can see that.
Near.
Near. Oh,
That's
near.
my house.
Oh, so you grow up here in the?
Yes.
Yeah.
According to my parents, I was born here.
What do you like the most? Was it the most beautiful place here for you in this area?
I like the Millionaire's Row.
Yeah.
So, we come here. No problem. They call it here Millionaire's Row.
This is the Millionaire's Row.
Yes.
Yeah.
Millionaire's Row, richest family.
The part I'm exploring today isn't the famous Millionaire's Row. This is the oldest section. And personally, I think it's far more interesting. Nature is slowly taking it back. Trees grow between the streets. Roots crack the concrete. Vines climb over the old walls. Some mausoleums look abandoned, but many still belong to families who visit every year. It's like walking through a forgotten town that refuses to disappear. So why did they build this big cemetery? It's really big. You cannot walk in 1 hour around this in this place. It is built because in the early 1900s, the Chinese people, non-Catholic Chinese people, are not allowed to be buried in a Catholic cemetery. So they started probably they bought the ground and started to build their own cemetery. But it is developed to a small city. time, families started building mausoleums large enough to hold several generations. What began as a simple burial place slowly turned into small family homes for eternity. Walking through the streets is a strange feeling. It's incredible quiet. The traffic of Manila sounds far away, replaced by birds singing, leaves rustling in the wind, and the occasional bark of a stray dog. For a moment, you almost forget where you are. Then you look at the names engraved above the doors and remember that every building around you is a tomb. One thing I definitely wasn't expecting: the dogs. There are stray dogs everywhere. Some are sleeping peaceful in the shade. Others quietly watch me as I pass. For them, this isn't a cemetery, it's home. I need a stick to protect me from the dogs. Yeah, I'm not really afraid of dogs, but I need a stick. You never know. This one was alone, this dog, but if they're in a group, they can be very annoying. The longer I spend here, the less this place feels frightening. Instead, it feels peaceful. It's not really a city of death. It's a city of memories. Every street has witnesses generations of family coming back year after year. Some mausoleums may look forgotten, but the stories inside them are still very much alive. It's impossible to show you all the spots here, and that's not my plan, because if you're interested in this touristic part of this cemetery, better go by yourself and search for it. There's a guide, you can get them, and they will help you. Before coming here, I expected to visit a cemetery. Instead, I found one of the most fascinating places in Manila. A place filled with history, tradition, architecture. This isn't just a cemetery, it's a city built for eternity.